Welcome to the Clean Catalog channel. In today's tutorial, we're walking through how to edit courses in your catalog. We are already logged in and on the home page of Windward Community College's course catalog. Keep in mind that your institution's catalog may look slightly different since Clean Catalog works with you to fully customize your catalog format and design. From the home page, you'll first click on Courses in the navigation bar. From here, you'll find and click on the course you'd like to edit. Once you're on the course page, select the Edit button at the top. Now we'll be able to edit all of the information associated with this course. First, you can add or edit the class item number that represents this course. Below it, you can write out the full title of the course and select the program that it belongs to. As you start typing, program names will auto-populate. You can either select one it suggests for you or type in your own program name. You can also click "This course is used on the following pages" for a drop-down list of every page or program that this course is used on. If this drop-down menu doesn't appear, it means that the course is not currently being used anywhere on your catalog. You will also have the option to write additional course information in the description box. Feel free to use this space however you'd like. If you keep scrolling, you'll see a place to edit credits. You can enter the credit hours the course is worth, as well as the maximum number of credit hours a student can earn. Note that the types of credits listed here may be different for your institution. At the bottom of the page, you can enter both prerequisites and co-requisites for this course by toggling between the two tabs. As you type into the text bar, course names will auto-populate and you can click on the relevant course to apply it. There is also space to add additional information or disclaimers about these prerequisites and co-requisites. Once you've finished editing the course, just scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. The course and the PDF version of the course will both update. That's all for today, but reach out to us if you have any questions about editing courses or using your new Clean Catalog software. You can also find a link in the description to a step-by-step PDF printout of this tutorial, which you can feel free to send to your faculty and your staff.